In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a base in Airtable. We'll walk through the full process from your Airtable home screen all the way to reviewing the finished copy so you can make sure everything transfers the way you want. This is useful if you want to create a backup, build a similar workflow from an existing base, or test changes without affecting the original. Start by going to your Airtable home screen. This is the main area where you can see the bases available in your workspace. If you have a lot of bases, take a moment to visually scan the page so you can quickly locate the one you want. It helps to make sure you're working with the correct base before copying anything, especially if several of them have similar names. Next, find the base you want to copy. Once you've identified it, move your attention to the base card or tile itself. You're looking for the menu that gives you more options for that specific base. Now click the three-dot menu or the drop-down menu on the base. This opens the list of actions you can perform. In that menu, choose the duplicate or copy option. The wording may vary slightly depending on your version of Airtable, but it will clearly indicate that you're creating a copy of the base. After that, Airtable will ask you how you want to copy it. This is where you choose your copy settings. You'll usually have the option to only the structure, which keeps the tables, fields, and setup without bringing over any records, or to include the records as well. If you only need the framework for a fresh start, structure only is usually the best choice. If you want a working duplicate with all your existing data, choose the option that includes records. Once you've selected the right setting, rename the copied base. Give it a clear and specific name so you can easily tell it apart from the original. A simple naming style, like adding the word copy, backup, or test, can make things much easier later. Finally, open the copied base and review it carefully. Check that the tables, fields, views, and, if included, records transferred correctly. This final review is important because it helps you confirm that the copy matches your expectations before you start using it. And that's it. You've successfully copied a base in Airtable.